How? This skatla is so big, we had to take it to the bedroom. We had to bring it to the private room. This skatla is bigger than the Juvates at Home Choice. Yabona this skatla is longer than the sheets at Sheet Street. How, Mihlali, the horrorism of it all. Again, I'm gonna go away. I am since it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please. Mike Brits, he is on the popcorn room kesana. He is laying it bare. He forgot that he signed an NDA. Ufuna umhlaba ubonke jikelele. Wazile ndaba. So this is how it goes. Mike Brits, married to a stunning wife with 2 children, known for his extreme wealth, but more known for his extreme danger. When you date Mike, you are Mike's property. You are not allowed to be running the streets like a thug, okay? You are not part of Bone Thugs and Harmony when you're dating Mike. Mike has a tight leash on you to the point that he will follow you. You remember when he was training for trying to unalive someone at Sensen Sky? Right, that Mike. He sees a flower in the influencer garden by the name of Mihlali Ndamase. Right? He is in love with Mihlali. He doesn't even know Mihlali, but he loves Mihlali. He wants to be with Mihlali. He's asking his friends, how can I get that gorgeous girl? The friends tell him, if you want to date her, you have to go through the friend. Who? Bobby Blanco. Now it makes sense why Bobby Blanco is always hanging around gorgeous girl. Pimp. Anyway, they tell him that go through Bobby Blanco. Mike finds Bobby Blanco's contacts and he allegedly sets up the meeting with Mihlali and Mike. But Bobby says, if you want my friend, must give me 100,000. Mike is like, it's too much. I have 70,000. He said, okay, I will set it up. Sana, the first date is arranged. The first time Mike goes out with Mihlali, it is alleged that he is so smitten. Can't take my eyes off you. You look like heaven to me. Ili also heavenly, ili also lovely. Mike was so smitten to the point where he was like, I love you. You're mine. Okay? And then, ever since then, he's been an ATM, he's been a jewelry store, he's been a dream maker, he works overtime. He's the Nesfas of Mihlali. And then he alleges that Mihlali would wake up and crave breakfast with a view. Patla 200,000 he would send in Mihlali's account. You know? And then next thing, he asks Mihlali, now that you are my woman, what is your dream? What is your goal? And Mihlali is like, I want to have a luxury shop in Sandton. He says, blink 3 times. Naya, we see Mihlali having a beautiful shop that sells high-end dresses. We say, wow, we love it for the matric dance dresses. We love it for the red carpet dresses. We love it for the red carpet. I said red carpet. For the Oscars, for the Grammys, for the Summer Awards. She says, yes, it's my shop. But Mike, he made it happen. She just forgot to say it out loud. Anyway, who cares who? But Mike made it happen, allegedly. After the shop, he's like, okay, my Mihlali, my Stana, what do you want as your allowance per month? Mama, 100K. Give us 100K. Mike says, fasha, in the bank account. Hey bo. But now, here comes the problem. Mike is very obsessed and in love with Mihlali, right? But now, it's not reciprocated. So Mike is like, let me check some things, because Mike is now in the process of buying a diamond ring and a Lamborghini Urus. I cannot spell it. I cannot afford it. A Lamborghini. I can't pronounce it. I can't afford it. That Lamborghini. And then before he buys the diamond ring and the Lamborghini, he's like, baby, let me buy you a new phone. Unbeknownst to Mihlali, this phone has been cloned. So he has cloned this phone before giving it to Mihlali. So Mihlali is busy on her phone. It's new, but not knowing that this man is tracking her every move on this phone. So this man is now wide awake. He has washed his eyes with Miracle Mom. He sees that Mihlali is allegedly entertaining other men. She's not as invested in Mike as he is in her. So he is now heartbroken. And what another thing that he mentioned is that when it was time for him to do the Vinky Bongo with Mihlali, when it was time for their private parts to collaborate, Mihlali always came up with excuses. Mihlali was doing delaying and stalling tactics, which made him open his eyes. You don't want my voice, but you want my bank account. But my voice not allowed in your smeg. Sissy. So that's when he bought her the phone and cloned it to see what are extracurricular activities that Mihlali is doing. Then he finds out that allegedly Mihlali is entertaining other people. He is so shattered because in his mind, he is Neo, the one on Matrix. Mihlali is his and he is theirs. Yo, ahlanye umfana. Hayi, he starts again wanting his money back. Then Mihlali releases the statement saying, this man is following me. Not saying he's following me because he thinks I'm doing other things, because I'm taking his money, I'm taking his gifts, and I'm acting like his girlfriend. I just don't want to sleep with him. So now he's following me to see what other things I'm up to. So, don't. I'm not saying, guys, it's not dangerous, it's not scary in a country full of GBV and violence against women. I'm not saying that we should take Mihlali's statement lightly. I'm just saying that this is the full picture. This man thought this girl was in love with him back. Can't you know she's in love with the offering, the tithing? Again, Mihlali releases that statement, and Mike is like, please, in your statement, include that you were accepting things from me. In your statement, write what you were taking my things. And then he's like, now I'm going to the court because I want every single cent I've ever spent on you. Ke batla tjhelete ya ka, ke batla le interest, ke batla yotlhe. I don't drink for cousins, I drink the whole family. Give me my money, Mihlali. Then Mihlali says, crying in capital letters of First National Bank, because pay back the money. And they secondly, and then what? Let's talk in the comment section down below. Need to Mike, he does not have those lawyers that I use. Our clientele, those Desmond Dube and Lillian Dube lawyers, they look like they are from Discover. They look like they're from Investec. What? Hi, son. Hi.